Hey guys, welcome back to Xetog.com. Hope you're doing well, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a simple website for your business. So let's get started. So this is our WordPress dashboard, and as you can see that we don't have any themes or plugins in this website. So this is the default theme that WordPress gives us. Okay, so we will be able to select okay, let's select one theme first. Okay, this is the theme that we are going to use on our website. Okay, until it's take time to install things, and let's go to plugin section and click on add new, and we can add a plugin called Elementor. As you can see that we have already activated, we have already installed the theme. Let's activate it. Okay, let's activate the plugin also. There is one plugin called starter templates that is built for this theme, which will enable us to import the demos of the website. Okay, we will delete this plugin and this plugin, and let's see the library of starter templates that we have installed currently. Okay, since we are going to use page builder of Elementor, let's click on that, and you will find a lot of demos for the website. Choose the one that you like. I think this is good for me. Let's import the complete site here. Okay, we will need these plugins. Okay, let's skip that. You can choose this, you can skip it, and it will take a moment and it will get installed on your website. So as you can see that we have already installed the plugin. You can also do this with this plugin, but we are going to install this theme with that will make our things quite handy. So that's the reason we have done this. Okay, this is the website demo. Okay, cool. If you don't want to install the theme, you can skip that process also, but I wanted to do that because the layouts and things are good here. So we can click on Elementor, or we can also go on pages, all pages, and you will find home section and edit with Elementor from there. there are both options to do that. Okay, so here we have the option to edit things. So it's on you that if you want to change things like text, and you can also change the image over there and add a video by clicking on this. You will have link option. You can add link. You can also add link on this button, and you can change logos and by clicking on customize option, but let's not do that. Okay, let me show you that how you can get a okay. So if you want to edit this template which is already good, so you can do that, but I will not do that. I will cancel all this and show you from scratch. You will have to click on add and click on this two grids. You can add an image here. This is the image, and you can add text editor. You can do it like this. This can be considered as heading of your website, which will be like this. Okay, you can add one more text editor which will have a description of the title of the heading that you had. You can, after clicking on this, you will be able to add image. Okay, this will be your hero section. And if you want to add a contact, if you want to add a CTA button over here, you can do that too. You can edit the page. Okay, let me change these also. Okay, let me type enroll now. If you want to add a icon over here, you can add by typing enroll. Okay, okay, this icon is looking good for this. Okay, and let me not write enroll now, rather buy products. How's that? Okay, this icon is good for me, I guess. This will show something like go up. Okay, so this is the heading for our website. So you can change the font. I'm choosing Poppins. I don't know why is it not working. Maybe the Google font is not installed over here. Okay, let's not do that. Okay, so you can add a description. I don't want to add any. I will keep it like lorem ipsum only. Okay, so we will go down and you will find a lot of option for grid. So you will find one grid only here, but if you want two, you can add two. But if you want four like this, you can add. We will add some spacer also here. increase the size for this page. Okay, if you want image, if you just want to showcase the product that you have, you can click on this. And if you want to give the description for your image, you can do that too. Okay, let me duplicate this only. As you can see that everything is possible just with some clicks. Okay, so this is our website. Oh, this is our section for, what do you want to say, gallery. So this is how you can add gallery over here. If you want to add button over here, you can do that too. Okay, so this is our button section. That's just for your choice if you want to add on your site or not. Okay, sorry. So you have buttons over here. If you want to edit the link over here, you can click and edit the link. And now let's explore some more option that you can have. You can search. See here, if you want to add video, just click drop and drag and drop things, and you can have a video. But since we don't need any video over here, you can cancel that too. So if you need a form, you can do that too. And let's just if you want to make it short, you can also add any image or video on this section if you want to display anything. But let's add a map over here. That's also possible. You can increase the height, and if you want to just change the border radius and want to make it round, that is also possible. As you can see that we have already made it. Okay, so these logged items are actually the items that are available for Elementor Pro. If you want that, I will give a link to you on the description section. You have image carousel, like slider, and basic gallery, and the progress bar, HTML, custom HTML sidebar. All the things are there. If you want to do that, you can do. I hope this short video was good, and you can also change this. I hope this video was good, and you will be able to make any normal site for your business. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel if you want more videos like this.